This zoo being located in Israel, a few interesting things about it. Firstly, it's noted for the diversity of its biblical species. Many different species of animal that were mentioned in the Bible can be found here. That's why it's called, in Hebrew, Gan Chayot Tanachi. It was changed to, named in honor of the Tish family at a later time, but people still call it the biblical zoo. Now, I mentioned at the start of the video, this zoo has more than 2,000 different animals, and a particular focus of the zoo is on maintaining small populations of animals that were mentioned specifically in the Hebrew Bible.
Hello, my name is Nate Dubin, also known sometimes as Abu Jibril. I've been a resident of Tzur Hadassah for the last 4 years, since 2018.